Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see the best free video AI generators, and they might be completely free or either they might have a free trial version for you to test it. So let's get started with it. The first one is Descript, and they are also improving day by day as ChatGPT 4 is also coming to it. And the second one is Listener. Here you can use the text and it gets converted to speech, and you can use it for AI voice. And the other one is Blue Willow for creating digital arts for your videos. And the other one is Pictory, and it is also a good one for video creation. It makes your video creation task quite easy. And the next one is Synthesia, and it is also a good way to create AI avatars and AI voices for your videos. And the other one is InVideo. It is a really good platform for video creations through AI. And the other one is Adobe Podcast. And here all you have to do is just drag and drop your audio, and AI will enhance your audio and get it really cool and really good sounding. So it is quite helpful when you don't know how to enhance your audios for your videos. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.